Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a circular photo in Microsoft Word. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's jump to the tutorial. Well, the first step is to click Insert. Then, click on Pictures. And here, you will upload the picture you want. Now click here and choose the circular shape. Then, in picture format, click here. In size, you will uncheck the following box. And in here, put more 3.66. The same at the top. Now click here and then here. Right-click on the image, Format Picture, Shadow, then click on Presets. No shadow. And that's it. Now just adjust the image to your liking. Leave me a like, I appreciate it very much. Thanks for watching.